What's going on, guys? It's Cam from Boosted Daily here. Sorry we haven't been with you guys for a little while. We had some stuff going on this past month, but we're back at it, and we're gonna be here to make some quality content for you. Stay tuned. It's coming up. Car season's here. Can't wait to do it with you guys. So be ready for that. But in today's vlog, we're gonna be going to the shop, throwing on my new downpipe. I got a Steve Penny Motorsports catless downpipe. Gonna get that thrown on there and get it all situated. So let's do it. Alright, so you guys may be wondering what I got on my head. The friends over at LAKEY Boosted were kind enough to sponsor us. They sell car culture themed clothing. They got their Boosted line of hats. So I got right here. You guys can save 10% by using the code SPONSOR10. That's SPONSOR10 if you're looking to save 10% on their website, weeklyboosted.com. Be sure to check it out. Alright, guys, so thing to be looking forward to for the channel, in a couple weeks here I'm going to be going to a drift competition, get some footage for you guys there. But yeah, we're going to have a lot of meets going on soon because it's going to be a lot warmer, so I'd definitely stay tuned for that footage if that's what you guys are into. Definitely some cars and coffee events going on here and there. But yeah, the channel's definitely about to be picking up a lot sooner here than it has been because it's been cold. There hasn't really been much going on, but it's gonna be good, so stay tuned. Alright, the exhaust is on and it sounds fucking good, boys. Holy Christ. I'm leaving the window down so you can hear it. Drop the camera. Just gonna leave the camera here so you guys can hear it driving. But I'll get more videos later. Just gotta get to work. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. Special shout out to Top Gear Auto for helping me install my downpipe. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.